Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And first method, restart your printer and network also. Turn off the printer and unplug the power cable for 60 seconds. Restart your router also and restart your computer also and printer also. Wait, reconnect to Wi-Fi. Okay. Then next, install latest HP Smart app. ठीक है. Open any browser. To type HP Smart app download. You can download from the Microsoft Store also and click to download. So after that it will start and then click to open it. Because of this is updated, that's why. Now this is installing. Now accept all. Then you can add the setup your printer. Okay. Then next, remove the re-added the printer. Click to start. Click on setting. Click Bluetooth device and then click printer and scanner, and which is connected, first remove it. Okay, then close, then restart your system, and then again next click to start setting, again go to the same location, Bluetooth device, printer. Okay, but before that open any browser. In the Google search box type driver. First link official website, first link HP. This is your printer. Scroll down. Installation with software. This is offline using this. Okay. And this is HP Smart Center printer driver. So you can connect from this app. Okay, set up the printer and then next it. Otherwise you can install the driver, easy setup printer software. Okay, after that guys, it's completed driver and it's reconnected this printer, and then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.